What's up, fellas? Paradox 2311. Stopped by Bass Pro today. Tried to refresh my Duffy tag. They were not having it. They wanted to verify with Walmart, so they called Walmart. Of course, they gave them the $53 price, so there might be an end of that for me on the Duffys at Bass Pro. Still gonna try Dick's, but I did pick up a box of the Federal Game Shock. These are the 25 grain birdshot, number 12. These should be super small. Get the focus. I didn't see, I don't think I've seen any of these in you guys' collection videos, but they were pretty pricey. Just picked up one box for $10.99. Time and date. So, got these from Bass Pro. I'm sure most of you guys seen these. Do have one out. Just in case you guys are wanting one of these for your collections. At Bass Pro, at least at mine. You may can get them online, I'm not 100% sure. They are the 25 grain birdshot. Can't hear it, but focus more. But that's it for me. To show you guys this. For you guys that are collectors, don't have any of these. There's one more for you to get. Paradox 2311. Get yours, because I'm gonna get mine.